myself Nishad. I am from 7th standard. Now we are going to perform a skit of assembly, discussion of assembly. So these are MLAs. My role is speaker. Okay. MLA 1.
Honorable Speaker, due to lack of rain for the past 3 years, the groundwater level in my constituency has decreased too much. The government has not taken any steps in this regard. Moreover, there has been an increase in the number of boreholes. I wish to know from the Honorable Minister the steps being taken for underground water conservation.
MLA 2.
Honorable Speaker, yes, it is true. The situation in my constituency is no better. The work of the officials is not satisfactory. The people have to walk a long distance to fetch drinking water.
MLA 3.
Honorable Speaker, the government should provide money to the stagnant the bounds of tanks, remove the silt and should take suitable steps to store the rainwater during rainy seasons. Moreover, trees should be planted on the bounds of prevent bleaching of the tanks bounds.
Okay, MLA 4.
Honorable Speaker, the government is aware of the situation. It has already taken up the necessary measures to prevent further damage. The mandals affected by the depletion of groundwater have been identified.
MLA 5.
Honorable Speaker, the opposition should appreciate the steps taken and should offer constructive solution. They should not unnecessarily criticize the government, but were built on the hill slopes in my constitutions, and as a result, there has been considerable rise in the level of groundwater in my constituency. Government officials are within the reach of the people.
MLA 6.
Honorable Speaker, the industrial units in my area discharging polluted water into the rain, and it has avoid effects on the health of the people. I would like to know the steps being taken by the government in this region, since drinking water is a serious issue in my constitution.
Minister 6.
Honorable Speaker, the government has great concern for the health of the people. It has taken up all the remedial and protective measures in the road to front mandals. Development of tanks, plantation of trees, and banning sand mining are some of them. The government takes into consideration the suggestion of the honorable members and also seeks the support of all for the successful implementation of the program.
Create a video of your talents and share it via WhatsApp on 9700491819. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.